What is light reactions?
Light energy is converted to chemical energy, which is temporarily stored in ATP and energy carrier molecule NADPH.
Can you tell us what the Calvin cycle is?
Organic compounds are formed using CO2, and the chemical energy is stored in ATP and NADPH.
Tell us what grana is.
Grana means the small particles of chlorophyll in chloroplast.
What is chloroplast?
Chloroplast means a plastic that contains chlorophyll and which photosynthesis takes.
Tell us what pigments are.
Pigment means the natural coloring matter of an animal or plant tissue.
Tell us what a thylakoid is.
Each of a number of flattened cycles inside a chloroplast, bounded by pigmented membranes on which the light directions of photosynthesis take place, and arranged in stacks or.
Tell me what a stroma is.
The supportive tissue of an epithelial organ, tumor, gonad, and much more, consisting of connective tissues and blood vessels.
What is photosystem 2?
Photosystem 2 is each of them consists of chlorophyll molecules, accessory pigments, proteins, and other molecules.
Explain to us what a catenoid is.
And of a class of yellow to red pigments found especially in plants, algae, and photosynthetic bacteria. Carotenoids generally consist of conjoined units of the hydrocarbon isoprene with alternating single and double bonds. The carotenoids absorb the light energy of certain frequencies and transfer it to chlorophylls for use in the photosynthesis.
Tell us, Mateus, what photosystem is.
The photosystem is where the light reactions take place. Two photosystems have been found in plants and algae.
Tell us what chlorophyll is.
Chlorophyll means the green pigment found in the chloroplast of higher plants and in cells of photosynthetic microorganisms, which is primarily involved in absorbing light energy of photosynthesis.
Primary electron acceptor.
A molecule that receives or accepts electrons from another molecule during a redox reaction.
Osmosis.
It is the fusion of hydrogen ions, protons, across the biological membrane via the ATP synthesis, due to a proton gradient that forms on the other side of the membrane.
Is carbon fixation.
The process by which photosynthetic organisms such as plants turn inorganic carbon, usually carbon dioxide, into organic compounds.
Is stomata.
A surgical opening in an organ constructed to permit passage of fluids or waste products to another organ or to the outside of the body.
Electron transport chain.
A group of compounds that pass electron from one to another via redox reactions coupled with the transfer of proton across a membrane to create a proton gradient that drives ATP synthesis.
Is pathway.
A collection of axons establishing of conduction routes for nerve impulses from one group of nervous cells to another group, or to an effector organ composed of muscle or gland.
CAM pathway.
The CAM pathway renders plants the ability to thrive and adapt in arid environments. It was first observed by the Bonats, Renzo, and Thomas in the Crassulaceae family of succulents.